In this video, I'd like to show you how to do an elevation plan from your floor plan. I looked at other types of videos and trying to find something that would fit, but I just thought I'll go ahead and show you myself. It gives me some practice as well in doing it. Okay, what we have here is four views I'd like you to do. The front view, so you know you're going to be right in here. The back view, which would be this part right here, and then of course the right side view and the left side view. And basically the way we do that is that we literally draw extension lines down through or construction lines to line up everything. It's an orthographic type projection. And we did that in the individual views from a 3D model to a 2D model, where we get this little construction line right there. You can see that Command X line. All right. This is what we use. You could use a regular line for this, but this just seems to be the practice. So basically what I'm going to do is take this line right here and I'm going to extend it down, and I'll just click it right there. As you can see, it extends it, and let's see, it's right on the edge of my house right there. Now remember, these lines do eventually, once you delete them, you won't see them. So you got to use regular lines. And I'll click this over here because that represents the other one. Let's get another line here. And we'll click that. Let me make sure you're right in the corner. And you see that extending down. All right, I basically escaped to get out of that. Now this next line right here, what I want to do is to use this part of the house, and it's going to extend down. And if you've got windows, you could use the windows as well. That will extend. It makes it easier if you just project down all the way. And once you start lining these up, make sure it's totally horizontal. And let me see if let's see if this will work. I'm just going to go this way, and then I'll go down. No, it won't. I'll just delete that, or I should say escape, and then I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to extend that down. All right, there we go. And these are all the extension lines. Let's say if I had a window in this wall, I would use that as well. Okay, so basically these are the lines that extend down, and I just have to draw physically the horizontal line. What you do in all your drawings is you really need to find that base, what is the ground level, GL, and I've shared that before. Let's say this would be the ground level, and I'm just going to extend that out beyond that. And you could even write the note ground level. Sometimes we show that. And that's the start of the ground level. And then, of course, you have to draw in your plinth is right there. So, yeah, we just go up 0.5, click it, and then you drag this across, and then click that. And there you go. You have that. Now, when I'm drawing these lines here, too, the top of this, that means from the top of this to the top of the floor to the ceiling level, or the bottom of the roof, is actually, let's just check it to make sure I got that correct. And I'm going to use my dimension tool just to see what I have here. And I believe I put 2.5. Yes, there it is. So you know that's it. And let me just see what I got for my roof, and you can see that. And you can go from there. That's 2.5 for the roof height. And then, but you still have to draw these lines in. Let's say, for instance, if I wanted to draw this roof system in, ideally, what you're going to have to do is extend it out. And those are just horizontal lines. And that's 0.5. And I would literally go and take this line here. I will go here, which is 8, plus I would use 0.5, and then I'd have to go back here and then actually extend that 0.5 here to here. Okay, we'll do a back as well on this. Let's go to the back part. Now I'm just going to go straight above. Oh, let me go ahead and put the window in here, and then that way we know the window is right there. So we know that this is the bottom of my house right here. And I know that the window height is, what did we say, 1 meter to the sill. So we'll just go up 1 meter and enter. And then what we'll do is just go there. And then we know also the height of the window is 1 meter. And so you can just literally box that in here. And there's your window. Okay, and we're not going to erase these extension lines. You just fill in the horizontal ones. We can do the details of the window, meaning that is the casing around the window a little bit later. We can do the railing. We can do this post. You can get the details of it. Right now, we're just going to get the layout of that. All right, let's go above. Now, again, above, we're just going to go straight above there. Now, in some of these lines, I'm going to have to delete. So we'll basically go the trim tool. If you want to go trim, and you can do that, and you can just go across that and delete that. And we'll just go there. And let me try that again. Escape. And let's just go delete there. And then we'll just click that because those are not the same window lineup. But it looks like this actual wall should have been lined up, but this wall won't be seen on the outside, so you don't need to do that. Let's go to the ground level. Right here, we can take a line, and you can just do random wherever you want to. Right now, that's just your ground level right there. It's not part of your house. It is ground level. And then I'm going to do the plinth for the back part, and we'll just go up 1 meter. No, it's 0.5, isn't it? Point in mine, 0.5. I'll draw it across there. All right, and then the next one, I'm going to go, that's the top of the floor. I'm going to go up 2.5, and I'll just go on this side, 2.5, right there. And I'm going to go across here, and I'm going to connect it with that. And I'm going to go right back down here because remember these, once I erase these lines, they will be done with. All right, and that really says it, what I'm going to need. Now, what I need here, this is the top of my roof. Let's just go up here and draw the top of your roof. Let's see. We'll draw instead, let's do the overhang right there. I know my overhang here is 0.5. 0.5 overhang. I know if I go straight up, that my roof height would be, you can do 2 meters or 2.5 will work. It depends on your slope. And then I'm going to just come over here, and I'm going to come across here. I could click it here, but I'm going to extend that out all the way to 5 point. Let's just do it here for right now. And then I'll extend it 0.5. Then I'm going to come down, and I'll just match it up with that corner, as you can see, and close that. And basically that's it. And I've got the outline of the back of the house. You can see this works pretty quickly, doesn't it? And I'll take my other lines, and we're going to erase all these lines eventually. So I'm going to take this is my construction line, and let's see if I can line up this window. I see right now it's not clicking for me. Let me try that again. Escape. Let's grab this construction line. And there it is. And that's where one side of the window is. Try it again. And this is where the other side of the window is. And once you get this going, it's quite simple. And you're going to see that it really goes quickly. And this gives you an idea. And I'm going to finish this up. I think you've got the idea right now. And I'm going to do this. Grab this right here. And let's see that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is we'll go up and do your window sill. So I'm going to click it here. Sill is at 1 meter. And I can come across here at 1 meter here. Click there, make sure it's on the line. And I know right over here, I'm going to click there because that's another window right here. And I'll click there, and I can just do one line at a time. Okay, and then we're going to go up 1 more meter. Line. Click. meter right there, and then I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to go over here just so I can eliminate some of the erasing. I'll come here. And you see what I'm doing here, and you're going to be able to do this pretty quickly. And then escape. And I can see right there, see this right here? That really throws me off. So what I'm going to do is try to delete that, and I'll do another one. Because sometimes if you don't get that right, what's going to happen is that you're going to end up having problems down the road here. I'll just see that. Go right there. Now, let's start getting rid of some of these escape, and we'll just kind of delete some of these construction lines like that, and you're going to see right there, and you can see one line I didn't actually highlight, and you can see another couple lines here. Notice that one. So I'll take my regular line, and you can kind of get the idea. So I'm just going to leave it at that in this video, and then we'll just click that, delete that, and you got your kind of layout of the back. You can put the details on it later if you're doing horizontal siding. If you're doing a parapet, then obviously you're not doing it that high. A parapet is only 1 meter high. You don't have the overhang as that if it's an Indian house. I'll leave it at that. I just laid out 2 houses. You can see a few lines that I missed down here. All right, and you can see where later on we'll do the dimensioning, and see right there I missed that one, and you can see where in your details will be able to come in there too, and you can trim it up and put the details in it. For right now, I think you got the idea. We're going to do the right side and left side in the next video.